If you are a free user on Alight Motion and want to remove the watermark, this is the video you should watch because I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide to do that. But before we dive right in, kindly hit that subscribe button to show your support and like this video if you get value from it. Without wasting your time, let's dive into it. Open your Alight Motion mobile application and tap Create New Project. Choose your resolution and title your project. For the sake of this video, I will be using a 16:9 resolution. For the background, set it to transparent and tap Create Project. When you see this page, tap the Cancel button. You may need to watch some ads to continue if you're using your data. Now, you will see your editor like this. What you have to do next is create a background shape. To do that, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the editor and choose the rectangle shape. Adjust the shape to fill the screen, but set it below or above the Alight Motion watermark. Now, you can set a background color for the shape and start creating your projects on top of the shape. Once you're done creating your projects on top of the background shape, export the project to your device. Now, open CapCut and tap New Video. Select the Alight Motion video you have exported to your device and tap Add. You will see your video like this. What you need to do next is click on the video and scroll through the tabs at the bottom of your screen to select Crop. Now, use your hand to adjust the video to the background shape and tap Done. Next, scroll right again and select Aspect Ratio. Select 16:9 again, and you're done. Export it from CapCut, and your video is ready without the Alight Motion watermark. If you got value from this video, please like and subscribe.